FDA calls the new recommendations a milestone for the LGBTQ community, and for some people, it's a breakthrough that's prevented them from donating blood and potentially saving lives.
This started, in high school. Everybody else could go and donate blood, but I could not.
For Vance Haywood, this trip down memory lane is not a good one.
It certainly is discriminatory, and it just makes you feel like something's wrong with you or something almost dirty or unclean.
For years, he and other gay men faced a lifetime ban on donating blood. Then the FDA changed the policy to allow gay and bisexual men to donate blood 3 months after their last sexual encounter. It's a policy medical experts say dates back to the 1980s AIDS epidemic.
The fear of the blood supply is not safe became a very important public health directive. How do we fix that? The biggest way to address that was to eliminate high-risk populations where this virus was present.
The FDA announced today all blood donors will be asked the same questions under a new risk-based policy. Dr. Nick Bandarenko is the medical director of transfusion services at Duke Hospital, and he says this opens the door for more donors, which he says could help the national blood shortage.
We need every donor, right? So this allows us to open up blood supply chain to marginalized populations, certainly. It also allows us to assess risks more accurately for all people, whether they identify as heterosexual or homosexual or bisexual.
We make decisions based out of fear and overstep in many cases or extend things too far. And this is one of those cases. I mean, there was nothing to say that it was any more dangerous for me to donate blood than anybody else.
Vance says for years the FDA got it wrong, but says today signals a step forward.
This is, certainly a bit of a win as we continue to face discrimination from so many other spaces and in other ways.
And while the FDA has announced this new guidance, medical experts say it could take a while for it to be implemented.